Hi, I'm Dr. Dane Goodenowe, neuroscientist and inventor, and I'm inviting you to a very interesting conference, the Restorative Health Summit, from March 21st to 23rd. If you or someone that you care for suffers from Parkinson's, this is an event you're not going to want to miss. Parkinson's is one of those diseases where it happens very randomly, most likely due to some toxic exposure in that person's past. And then they get treated with a drug, which is very effective, L-DOPA. But this drug does not last forever, and this drug creates side effects called L-DOPA-induced dyskinesias. It is inevitable. People lose their personality, they become flat, they lose their ability to move with proper direction. Join me, and you're going to hear real stories. You can hear from Ian Ruff and his wife Heather, where she says, "I came to the center with a husband with Parkinson's, and I left with a husband." Parkinson's is a disease that we can be very effective at improving the neurological health. People get off of their L-DOPA. Their dyskinesias become under control and potentially never occur in the first place. So join me March 21st to March 23rd. We're going to have a very serious conversation about the biochemistry of Parkinson's and what people are doing to recover from Parkinson's and to prevent any further decline in Parkinson's. I look forward to seeing you there.